What's up, people? Welcome back to Scarlet Therapies. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm a massage therapist, and my goal is to teach you how to do self-care techniques. So we all get to the point where our necks hurt, right? Okay, so this is for you. Take your hands, place them on the sides of your neck, both sides, and stroke upward. Now I'm doing this with no oil. You can completely do this with oil of your choice: grapeseed, coconut oil, olive oil, mineral oil. All right, so okay, back to neck massage. Here we go. Going up the neck, and you see where my hands are? Right in these areas here. Even that feels good. Okay, all right. So we're going up. We're gonna make circular motions backwards. Like that there. And then I make my way to the back of my neck, and I pull outward. You see this? You see my neck looks like that? Okay. So I pull outward. My hands like this. There we go. And I like to do this. Massage upward. So if you can see, hands at the back of my neck. It's pretty good. Just doing that. And this is best if you're laying down, but if you're not, this will still be good. Alright? Okay, alright, here's another component. My thumbs. Take them as they're pointing down. And we're gonna go and look for the ropey part of the side of your neck. It's called the SCM. Alright, so here, taking our fingers, we're feeling for the ropiness. If you give it a little pinch, you can feel it. You don't want to choke yourself. Don't do this. Not cool. Alright, over here, you can see it. You see the line? There we go. And if I bring my head to the side, I can really see and I can really feel it. It's right. It's shaped like a V. Okay. I'm going to grab that softly but firm enough. And just kind of squeeze that a little bit to the other side. This is really good for people who get headaches often, or maybe you have a desk job where you're constantly doing this. This is so relaxing. Good. And then I finish. Wake myself up a little bit more. And then you cool out for the rest of the evening. Alright, well, that's my neck massage for the day. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, subscribe, leave me a comment. I'm building this channel to show people how to stretch and how to do massage. So eventually we'll move into the stretches, but right now we're doing the self-care techniques. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day.